Isn't that cute? No, don't move. Now they move.
They're out here.
Come on.
Got some little kitties just peeping up and up under the.
Hey, what you?
Peeping out from up under.
She's not
There's
moving.
the big sister and the two twin sisters right there. They keep dipping and dip up. Now, oh, isn't she adorable?
Oh.
She's running.
There's
a sister.
That's the way you said. I ain't scared.
There's a sister.
Her personality.
She running.
They're the black and white when they scared.
I guess they trying to see how friendly we are.
Look,
what?
Look, she trying to
Hey,
get out.
Get back in there. Little butt. Get in there. She gets some sleep.
She's stuck.
Oh, hell. Hey, get out from up under there. Look, stop growling and go help your sister out. Go help your sister out over there. Now, if you come to this house, you better be worried because we packing mama cat to the baby kittens. So, I think they're at the age where they're ready to leave us. Oh, I think we got a party, y'all. This one, the black and white one, looks like his dad. And the two little ones, they're twins. I guess they're trying to fight. Hey, we don't have violence over it. She's trying to let the door up. What is this up? We have some. Look at them, y'all. Hey, get back. Get back. Oh, there's your mama. It's time to go. Mom come.